Hello, and hold on for a second, please. Hello, and today we'll be doing the straw through the chest, okay? Okay, let's do this. Hold on for a second, I need to do some edit here. Okay, you ready? Okay, just get ready. Okay, I'm about to reveal the secrets. Okay, so the secret is you need to cut the straw as like this tiny piece. See how tiny it is? That's a tiny piece, okay? And then if you have a straw like from McDonald's or Burger King, like this, okay? And you know, you get it, okay? So then if you just put it up your chest and this, put it up right in your teeth, and right here, it'll freak people out. It'll freak their poop. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you like this, let's see if we can only get, like 2 likes? Just 2 likes. Or maybe more. 2 ordeal. Okay, so bye.